Balance. They say it's key to a happy and healthy life. And the same can be said for the wheel. So you put the wheel on the balancer, the wheel balances fine, the numbers look good, there are no red flags on the machine, but then the car goes down the road and the vibration is still there. Well, that doesn't make me happy. That makes me frustrated. So let's check out why that might be happening next. A balancer only tells you part of the story. It measures weight distribution, which is important, but it's not necessarily a comprehensive overview of everything that affects how a tire and wheel behave once they're under load and rolling at speed. One common issue is wheel condition. A wheel can be slightly bent or out of round and still balance within spec. On the road, that small deformation shows up as a vibration the customer can feel, especially at certain speeds. Mounting also matters. If the tire isn't seated evenly on the wheel, or if there's debris or corrosion in the bead seat, the assembly may balance but still roll inconsistently. That uneven roll doesn't always show up as a weight problem, but it does show up as a feel problem for the driver. Another factor is a tire's condition. Uneven wear, flat spots from sitting, or internal irregularities can all create vibrations that balancing alone aren't going to fix. The balancer isn't lying to you, it's just not designed to diagnose those issues. Hardware can play a role too. Loose lug-centric mounting, improper centering on the balancer, or inconsistent torque can all introduce vibration after the fact. Everything may look right on the machine, but once the wheel is back on the vehicle, those small inconsistencies stack up. Thankfully, most balancing equipment today is designed to prevent those issues, but it's still possible, especially on older equipment. The takeaway here is that balancing is just one step, albeit a very important one, but it's a step in the larger process. When a tire balances fine but still vibrates on the road, it's usually a sign to slow down, look at the assembly as a whole, and check everything else the balancer isn't, balancing. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.